My friend, John. What are you doing?
Yes, dear. I am trying to solve this puzzle.
Does a puzzle interest you?
A lot, friend.
I think you would become a very good engineer then.
Friend. I don't like machines.
But you are so good at mathematics. I thought you liked engineering.
So, I want to study physics and become a scientist.
Physics? What good would you do by being a scientist?
Well, I would become a scientist and research into the mystery of the origin of the universe. That would be interesting, like solving the biggest puzzle. Besides, I also like teaching. That would give me the opportunity to work with more brilliant students.
I see the puzzle. So, how would you like to proceed with your target?
I have forgotten to tell you one thing. I took part in a competition arranged by American Embassy. I became the first there, and they have offered me a scholarship at the University of California to study physics.
Oh, I see. I am really proud of you. You are a genius indeed. But will you be able to stay there alone?
I will really miss you, my parents and my younger sister. But I should avail the opportunity of my better future, shouldn't I?
Of course. Well then, go ahead to materialize your dream. May the Almighty fulfill your dream.
What's your future plan?
I would like to study journalism in Dhaka University.
That's great. May God bless you to achieve your goal.
Nice to talk to you about such an important issue.
Now I have got to leave.
It's all right.
For now.
Bye.